Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on War Thunder PC. First, let's get your controller connected. You can use a standard USB cable for a direct, reliable connection. Alternatively, if your PC has Bluetooth, you can pair it wirelessly. Just make sure your PC's Bluetooth is enabled and the controller is in pairing mode. Steam's Big Picture mode is a fantastic tool that often makes this process much smoother, automatically recognizing your controller. Next, we'll set up DS4 Windows, a crucial piece of software for optimal performance. This application allows your PS4 controller to emulate an Xbox 360 controller, which many PC games, including War Thunder, recognize more readily. After downloading and installing it, you can create and customize profiles, adjusting sensitivity and button mappings to your liking. It offers a significant boost in compatibility and control. Now, let's dive into War Thunder's in-game settings. Once you've launched the game, head over to the Controls menu. Here, you'll want to select Wireless Controller, or Gamepad, as your primary control method. Take your time to customize the button mappings for aircraft, tanks, and naval vessels. You can also fine-tune dead zones and sensitivities, which is essential for achieving precise control and a comfortable gaming experience across all vehicle types. Finally, let's talk about optimizing your gameplay. Don't be afraid to experiment with various control schemes. What works for one player might not work for another. Many players find a hybrid approach, using the controller for movement and the mouse for aiming, to be very effective. Practice in custom battles to truly master your new setup. Remember to keep both DS4 Windows and War Thunder updated for the best possible performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.